Looking at stills before moving on to video footage, the GH5S's 10.2MP images hold up pretty well considering the low resolution on offer. The camera handles higher sensitivities better than its GH5 sibling, with noticeably less luminance, grain-like, noise, while dynamic range is a little better too. That said, those looking to shoot a good number of still images as well as capturing video will be better served by the higher resolution GH5. 4K video from the Panasonic GH5S is impressively clean. Thanks to the internal 422:2 10-bit recording, there's just so much information across the tonal range, making for highly detailed footage at 400 MB/s. But while 4K resolution is all well and good, how well does the GH5S capture light? Vlog-L comes pre-installed. It's a pretty pricey extra for previous models, and this puts the camera into a log picture style, allowing you to capture more information in the shadows and highlights. When used in conjunction with one of the two native ISOs, the GH5S can capture nearly 14 stops of dynamic range, almost as many stops as cinema cameras from RAW or RED. As such, footage is highly flexible when it comes to color grading. Adjust color, contrast, and saturation and footage mostly holds up, with shadows and highlights maintaining strong detail, while colors are rendered well. Skin tones are captured in a very natural, yet flattering way. In the right hands, the footage can come close to looking like it's straight from a movie.